Welcome back, everybody. Chef Scott here. It's Salad Sunday. Tonight we will be making a cucumber tomato avocado salad to pair with our favorite lasagna. And we have a special guest tonight, the best realtor in San Antonio, and my mom.
Hey guys, Rebecca Hayes from Hayes Realty Group here in San Antonio. If you have any real estate needs, feel free to give us a call. Our phone number is 210-585-7470. We look forward to helping you. Chef Scott, let's get started on this amazing salad.
That was a lot of knife work. Thanks for helping, Mom.
You're welcome. Here, I'll hold that for you.
Thank you.
This salad is looking good. You know what, Chef Scott? I think that this needs a little bit of balsamic vinegar, maybe some salt and pepper to finish it off. What do you think?
Sounds good.
Great, let's get this. How about I add this part, okay? I think we just need a little bit. That looks fantastic. Okay. Do you want to help me with the salt and pepper?
Yes, ma'am. That looks Chef Scott approved. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.